mire mi tayar kolani vara healthy dish e busy ko ngulamun ekamako healthy ko kambenu fura be frunan hasa koge mire ge dish mi tayar kolani then mezumatin mi fene ingredients balala hama amu kan me badige ga mi available ingredients dem me hunani ekam tafat ekati eben em burger tayar korumun davar kalliwa den kiyala dena mi itura mi benu kura ingredients den liwa ko mi fahar mi baveri wani mi dish tayar kuruma chef Satira. Welcome on the show and Ramadan Mubarak. How are you?
Good. How about you?
Yeah, I'm very good. So what are we making today?
Today we are making for the quinoa sweet potato burger. This is easy burger because we are using for the sweet potato boiled one and quinoa for the boiled.
Okay.
And we are using for the coffee fry and chopped bell pepper, three kind of red, yellow and green.
Okay.
And salt, pepper, onion and butter, cheese and lettuce.
Arabi presents Rahathafaathu, powered by Fahipe, Total Food Suppliers, co-sponsor Muduwali, Radiant Heat, location partner Hurule Island Hotel.
I will start first for the making patty.
Okay.
This we add for sweet potato and quinoa.
Sweet potato alalama fahu demi alalani quinoa
And we add for little bit bell pepper.
Bell pepper ga den tim wattaru mi beenon kollani Indive faha kurave kamaki mi huriha ingredients mi hunnani wara fine ko chop kollafa mi hama kudi koden amuko mi shoga wara has samalka me dige indiwa me kiyade mi egg bakanege mi ingredients chop kurumuga gengulenje he goetta den mi burger ya patty hedumuga huriha vegetable levels mi hunnani wara fine ko chop kollafa
Then after that we will mix this one.
nagala combine kollande mi man kollani mi harke Rahathafaathu program arme mi genes deni Madifushi private island resort Pula island hotel goligen den goligen genes de iruga hama faha kolanje he wara baveru team takege hama wara baveru dish tati befuna mi haru es HI chun libada gannawane den mi haruge mi Rahathafaathu program mi genes deni Madifushi private island resort HIH nurta Pula island hotel goligen genes de iruga hama mi haru es tafatu eki team takuge wara gina bavetakuge kai cheti befuna HI chun libada gannawane anaka mi haruge mi book kurum ves meti waring easy kolla difa tibe fronna mi book kolla vene mi haru HIH ke online portal etro koima ehen ahartaka hilafa mi haruge mi booking ves meti wara faseh kolla difa HIH
Rahathafaathuge mi haftage suwal ಪಾಸ್ತಾ ಕಕ್ಕಾರು ಮಾ ಬೊಡ ಮಡುನುವೆ ದತಂ ಹರ್ಕುಂ ಹುನ್ನ ಮಿಂವರ ಕಕ್ಕಾ ಫೂರ್ಮಾ ಇಟಲಿ ಬಹುಂ ಕಿಯಣಿ ಕೊನ್ನಮೆ ಹಾ ಅಲ್ ಡೆಂಟೆ ಶವ್ಯಣಿ ಸೋಟೆ ನೂನು ರೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಿಸುವಾದ ರಂಗಳ ಜವಾಬ್ ಫುಣುವುಮ PSM AF ಹಿಯಾರ್ ಕುರವ್ವ ಕೊಮ್ಮೆ ಹಫ್ತಾಕು ಗುರುತುಂ ಹೊವೆ ಎದ್ದೆ ಫರಾತಕ ಹುಳ್ಳೆ ಐಲೆಂಡ್ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ರೋದ ವಿಲ್ಲುಮ್ಗೆ ಫುರ್ಸತ್ ಅದಿ ಎಮ್ಮೆ ಗೀನಾಂಗ್ ರಂಗಳ ಜವಾಬ್ ಫುಣುವ ಫರಾತಕುಗೆ ಮೆದುಗ ಗುರುತುಂ ಹೊವೆ ಎದ್ದೆ ಫರಾತಕ ಹುಳ್ಳೆ ಐಲೆಂಡ್ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ಗ ದೆರೆ ಹುರುಮುಗೆ ಫುರ್ಸತ್
mihiri mi sweet potato quinoa then mi alali vegetables ta mi ragala combine kollafa
Yeah, then after that we will cut burger. We will apply a little bit butter.
okay then burger bun ga mi hakala ni butter
After that need to put for 8 for the pan.
then burger bun toast kolani mi kodako butter hakaluma faho දැන් මේ ඩිෂ් එකේ හැම ගෑමස් මියහර හැම ගේ තෙරේග මේ කුඩකු දින්න එක්ක මේ තයාර කොල්ලම් වෙස් වර මේ ෆසේ ඩිෂ් එක වෙගෙන් දාන රෝද වීලා ගඩිය බර්ගර් කාම්බේනු ෆුළු අබේ ෆුළුන්න මේ වර රගලු ඩිෂ් එක කන්නේගේ
Then after that, we need to take fatty.
okay
And if you have a cutter in home, then you can use for the cutter.
okay දැන් බර්ගර් මේ කටර් ගේ ගොන්න ඥාම වර ෆසේ හමන මේ අනේ පැටි ගඬු මේ මෝඩ් කොල්ලන් ෂෙෆ් මි බේන කොල්ලනි හම රීතකෝ අතුම් මි පෙට් කොල්ලනි that's cooking pepper right
Yeah.
why
it's
are we
baking
putting
pepper.
the cooking pepper
Because this is for the sticky. Because this non-stick need to put for the butter paper.
Oh,
Then get nicely.
okay
Yeah, because for my childhood, I see for my mom is cooking. Then after that, I also feel like I want to be cooking. That's why I've come into the hotel field. For me, I came for the hotel industry because I always following for positive mind. So I will be. Yeah, for the who's coming for the youngest, need to basic knowledge need to improve nicely. Then after that, you want to become a chef. You want to follow for all the safety thing, food and safety and hygiene. Then and you want to respect for the people, and you can be success.
cooking paper mi alali mi petty era tawaya mi tan nulawa defusha jahalum iswara fase hawane
They need to cook.
okay for how long do we have to cook it
Just only for we have a heat fan. Just only 5-10 seconds. Then after that, turn.
each side
Yeah,
10 seconds
Yeah.
komme mi fushe mi fihelani gagedaka 5 to 10 seconds අනෙන් පෙටි එහ බොඩක මේ කක්කාකෂෙන් නොෙජ්ජෙහෙ මීදෙන් මේ හූණු කොල්ලන් කනේ බොඩ මේ තවාය මිලනි ඒ මිඩිෂ්ක මේ බේනු කුර ස්වීට් පොටේටෝ කිවස් මේ already boil කොෆ්ෆ හුරි sweet potato
Put a little bit lettuce. Then coffee fry. If you want, put lime juice a little bit
okay
for the taste.
coffee fata lime alam benu fula be fulna hama e option wes e boy
And salt.
nen kuda lonu kolle mi adalani then pepper Army patty
Once patty is ready, then if you want cheese, we can put for the option.
okay cheese accuse them me optional ko me e be fulge like inna me ben flour ben be fulna ham cheese ben ko cheese ka extra flavor then burger in the ben cheese ala
Then after that, we will use for the coffee fry.
patty ya cheese ke matcha me coffee fe mixture me ala මිහාඩ මීරි මිරේ තයාරු කුරි කිනෝවා with sweet potato burger තයාරු කොනිම්ෆා ලුවමද කුරේනි මි ඩිෂ් එකේ healthy කො කාබේ ෆුල්නෂා අදි හාසු කො busy කො උළුවා බේ ෆුල්න වර කමුදියා ඩිෂ් එක වෙගෙන් දියකම වස්ලාම අලයිකුම්